Hello everyone, welcome to PhD. This is Niranjan. Today I'll be discussing the 45 days marathon. That is, we are starting from today onwards. Today is 1st September. The date is mentioned here is wrong. So today we are starting this batch. In 45 days we will be covering 32 tests. 32 tests includes 12 fundamental tests and 16 revision tests, 12 full length tests, and 2 CSAT test. 12 fundamental test means we'll be asking from this section, particularly from each section. One test can be like two tests for polity, two tests for two tests from economy, two tests from in history, two tests from other section. We'll be having six subjects, so that's why we have 12 fundamental tests. Then after we have six revision tests. Revision test will be like we will be asking two sectional. We'll be adding two sectional tests into one, so we'll be having six revision tests there. Then after we'll have 12 full length tests and two CSAT. Two full length test means the full length test is somewhat similar like UPSC CSE exam exam pattern. So we'll have each test will be having 100 questions. Our question quality is somewhat higher than the normal standard. If you have seen our question, you can if you haven't seen, it is okay. If you want to see, you can see on the sample paper. Otherwise, you can visit our website to look into our question as well as for explanation PDF. So here we have divided test number and topics covered and source you need to look up to. Like first test, this is we will be covering Indian polity, and this is the section we need to cover. Second thing, the Lakshmikant, what we are telling, that is, you can refer to the Lakshmikant. Lakshmikant is the one major source. You need not to worry about other thing if you can cover whole Lakshmikant. Otherwise, you can look up to Lucent, NCERT, other thing. Similarly, second test will be from polity, third test will be geography, fourth test will be geography. So in geography, we have mentioned that you can refer to the NCERT mostly. Otherwise, you can look up to Lucent. For factual data, we can look up to Lucent. And for current affairs section, we have mentioned always like GK Today. GK Today is perhaps good source for the current affairs section. So we have mentioned, but as for the changing environment, we will be suggesting you can add more depth to the current affair by studying by reading the newspaper. Otherwise, you can refer one IS IS monthly material for to add depth to your current affairs section. Similarly, you can see all the things. This PDF will be also uploaded to the website as well as it is available on our Telegram channel. So you can look up to this here also. So here you can see all the tests we have mentioned. What is the source as well as the topic covers. In the full length, we'll be having 12 full length tests and 2 CSAT paper. CSAT paper will be holding the test on 5th October and 12th October. There will be 2 CSAT tests, and here we have mentioned the timetable for the test series. So here it is first test where starting from today onwards. Like today we will be holding at 8 p.m. we will be holding the first test. Then after we will be having on 3rd September means Saturday we will having the second test, and Sunday will be fourth test. Then we have given gap on similarly we have taken Thursday the 6th, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday for up to September. Up to September we can cover the test number 17. Then after in October we will have 13 more tests and 2 CSAT papers. So we will be having 15 tests in 15 days. 15 days. This is the process. So we want to try this, and the process you can join us. So this is the we have mentioned here the process you can join us. This is the payment process. Then after you need to give us the Aadhaar ID or some Aadhaar ID for the encryption of the material. And you can look up to our question paper for the verification, or you can compare our material test series program with other. We have already improved the question quality a lot. If anything like further test will be somewhat like OPSC, higher version of OPSC question paper. So this is all. If you have any more query, you can ask us on Telegram. You can call on this number if you want. This is all. Thank you.